Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Zoom on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go ahead underneath app list and it says search apps. Go ahead and click inside this field and type in Zoom. Best result should come back with Zoom. Click on the little three-dotted icon next to it and then select the uninstall button. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall. And then once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.